If you want to cook healthier meals without spending too much time in the kitchen, a food steamer can be a game changer. It allows you to prepare vegetables, fish, rice, or even full meals while keeping nutrients, flavor, and texture, all without using oil. In this video, I tested 3 different food steamers to see which ones really stand out in terms of performance, ease of use, and overall value. From simple and affordable models to more advanced options, each one has its own advantages depending on your needs. In the third, I tested the Oventi food steamer, and it quickly proved to be a very convenient tool for healthy, everyday cooking. What I liked immediately is the 2-tier stackable design, which allows you to cook multiple foods at the same time. You can easily steam vegetables on one level and fish or chicken on the other, saving time while keeping everything separate. During my test, the 400-watt power delivered steady and consistent steam. I tried different foods like broccoli, carrots, and even dumplings, and the results were surprisingly good. The food kept its natural color, texture, and flavor, which is exactly what you expect from steam cooking. It is perfect if you want to avoid oil and still get tasty meals. One feature that really stands out is the 60-minute timer with automatic shutoff. You just set the time, and the steamer handles everything on its own. It even turns off automatically when the water runs out, which makes it very safe and stress-free to use, especially if you are doing other things at the same time. The capacity is also well thought out. With around 5 quarts total, it is suitable for small to medium-sized meals, whether you are cooking for yourself or for a couple of people. It does not feel too bulky, but still offers enough space to prepare a full meal in one go. Cleaning is simple as well. The baskets are removable and dishwasher safe, and since you are not using oil, there is less mess compared to traditional cooking methods. Storage is also easy because the tiers stack neatly together, taking up less space in your kitchen. Overall, after testing it, the Oventi food steamer stands out as a simple, efficient, and healthy cooking solution. It is ideal for anyone who wants quick meals with minimal effort, while keeping food nutritious and flavorful. If you are looking for an affordable and easy-to-use steamer for daily use, this one is definitely a solid option. Secondly, I tested the Bella food steamer, and it quickly showed itself as a very practical choice for anyone who wants to cook larger and more complete meals in one go. What really stands out compared to smaller steamers is its 7.4-quart capacity, which gives you much more room to work with, especially if you are cooking for a family or preparing multiple portions at once. During my test, the 2-tier stackable baskets were very useful. I was able to cook vegetables on one level and fish on the other at the same time, and everything came out evenly cooked without mixing flavors. It saves a lot of time and makes meal preparation much more efficient. The timer knob is simple but effective. You just set the cooking time and let the steamer do the rest. The auto shutoff and boil dry protection are great safety features, especially if you get distracted while cooking. It gives you peace of mind and makes the whole experience very easy. I also appreciated the water level indicator window. It allows you to see exactly how much water is left without opening the steamer, which helps maintain consistent cooking results. It is a small detail, but it makes a real difference in everyday use. In terms of performance, it produces steady steam and cooks food quickly while preserving texture and nutrients. I tested it with vegetables and rice, and the results were very satisfying, with food staying flavorful and not overcooked. Cleaning is another strong point. The removable baskets are dishwasher safe, and since steam cooking does not involve oil, there is very little residue to deal with. Storage is also easy despite its larger size, as the parts stack together neatly. Overall, after testing it, the Bella food steamer is a great option if you want more capacity, simplicity, and efficiency in the kitchen. It is perfect for preparing healthy meals quickly while handling multiple ingredients at the same time. If you need a larger and easy-to-use steamer for everyday cooking, This one is definitely worth considering. And to finish, first of all, I tested the Cuisinart Food Steamer, and this one clearly feels like a more premium and advanced option compared to basic steamers. From the start, the glass and stainless steel design gives it a high-end look, and it feels much more solid and durable than standard plastic models. During my test, what really stood out is the top-down steam system. It distributes steam evenly over the food, which results in very consistent cooking. I tried it with vegetables, eggs, and even rice, and everything came out perfectly cooked with great texture and flavor. The digital control panel is another big advantage. It is very easy to use, with pre-programmed settings for different types of food, like vegetables, poultry, grains, and seafood. You can also adjust everything manually, which gives you full control depending on what you are preparing. One feature I found especially useful is the Keep Warm function. Once the cooking is finished, it automatically keeps your food at the right temperature without overcooking it. The Delay Start is also a great addition, allowing you to prepare everything in advance and have your meal ready at the exact time you want. With its 5-liter capacity, it is well suited for family-sized meals while still remaining compact enough for a kitchen countertop. It feels like a good balance between capacity and practicality. Cleaning is also very straightforward. The glass pot is dishwasher safe, and since the materials are high quality, it is easy to maintain over time without staining or odors. Overall, after testing it, the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Food Steamer stands out as a powerful, precise, and premium appliance. It is perfect if you want more control, better build quality, and consistent cooking results. If you are looking for a high-end steamer that goes beyond the basics, this one is definitely a top choice. To conclude this top 3 food steamers I tested, each one has its own strengths depending on what you need, whether it is a simple and affordable option for everyday meals or a more advanced model with extra features and control. If you want to cook healthier, save time, and keep the natural flavor of your food, any of these steamers can make a real difference in your kitchen routine. It really comes down to your budget and how much capacity or functionality you are looking for. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.